I'm Anil Kumar, and now we will explore the trigonometric ratios in Cartesian plane. We are considering the angles between 0 to 360 degrees, that is one full circle, right? Sketch two angles in Cartesian plane that have the same value for each of the given trigonometric ratio. So the idea here is, let me just sketch and then show you. We need to find two different angles for which the sine value is same. That is to say, if I draw a triangle in this quadrant, which is quadrant 1, and a triangle in the other quadrant, right? In that case, let us say the angle is theta for us. Then sine theta will have some value, and we have to find another value in the second quadrant where the sine of that angle will also have the same value. To give you an example, if you do sine of 60 degrees, calculate using calculator, and do sine of 180 minus 60. Let me write here 180 minus 60 degrees. What will you get? You will get exactly the same value, right? Both will be positive, and you can also use your special triangles to figure out what the value is. So let me sketch here a triangle, right? So that is my special triangle. So instead of using calculator, let us use a special triangle. Okay, so here we are assuming this to be 60 degrees, that to be 30 degrees, this is 90, and in this special triangle the sides are as shown here, right? So sine of 60 is square root 3 over 2, right? Square root 3 over 2, and you'll find the sine of 180 minus 60 is also square root 3 over 2, right? So because opposite over the hypotenuse, you get the same value. Now that is true because what we know here is that sine is positive in quadrant 2 and all are positive in quadrant 1, so it is positive in quadrant 1 also. Sine is negative in 3 and 4, but in 3 tan is positive, in 4 cosine is positive. You could have selected two triangles in quadrant 3 and 4 also. For example, if you select for the same angle, so when we say same angle, we are saying same acute angle. So what you do is you select same acute angle. So if I have this angle equals to that angle, in that case sine ratios will be exactly same, correct? And now because we are in quadrant 3 and 4, both will be negative values. So you could select let us say theta is 30 degrees, for example, right? That's the acute angle. In that case, the principal angle will be 180 plus 30. And this principal angle will be 360 minus 30, correct? So you can check the values for sine of 180 plus 30, which is 210 degrees. And also sine of 360 minus 30 degrees, that is 330 degrees. You will get exactly same values. Both will be negative, and for 30 degrees it will be half, so both will be half, correct? So you can use your calculator and find these answers. So that is how you can answer this question. I hope you have understood the concept. Now keeping this concept in view, these are your test questions. You can find two set of angles where cosine is same, right? And where tan is same, correct? You could find 4 sets, correct? Like I did, right? You could do that. Now, important thing here is to figure out in which quadrant what is positive. Some people use cos rule. So they say cos is positive in quadrant 4, all are positive in quadrant 1, sine in 2, tan in 3. Therefore, if I sketch a triangle which is in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 4, with same acute angle, you understand, same acute angle, then I will get exactly same cosine value. Both will be positive. You get the point, right? So the combination could be, for example, cos of, let us take this angle as 30 degrees, right? So it is cos of 30 degrees, and that will be cos of 330 degrees, correct? I mean, right? So those will be the combinations. The other combination could be that you could select angles in quadrant 3 and 4, right? So those will give you exactly same value but negative, right? For example, we could have cos of, let us say the acute angle is 45 degrees. Correct? So in that case, the angles are 180 degrees plus 45 and cos of 180 degrees minus 45 degrees. Correct? So both will give you exactly same value. Both will be negative, right? For tan, you need to select triangles in quadrant 1 and 3 to get positive values, right? Because tan is positive here and here. Or you could select two triangles making acute angles exactly same in quadrant 3 and 4. So in this case, you'll get negative values, correct? So that is how you should be doing this question. So you could have tan of, let us say, you could select any. So for example, if we select this as 20 degrees, right? So acute angles are 20 degrees. So we have tan of 20 degrees and tan of 180 plus 20 is 200, right? So 200 degrees. Both will give you the same answers. So use your calculator, figure it out. Similarly, you could use some other angle. Let us say 40 this time. What I'm saying is 40 is acute angle, right? In that case, tan of 180 minus 40, which is 140 degrees, will be equals to tan of 360 minus 40, which is 320 degrees, right? Both will be negative, however, but they will be exactly same. So use your calculator, figure out, place the values, and check whether it is true or not, just as we did here. You could use special triangles or use calculator to find the answer. I hope this helps you to understand the basic concept that how in a Cartesian plane we could always get two equivalent angles for which the ratios are exactly same, right? Thank you and all the best.